In this channel, we are discussing about life hacking and financial growing methods. You can be a successful person in life and can have a vast knowledge by following these methods. If you didn't subscribe us yet, subscribe now and click the bell icon to see our future videos. How to be a millionaire in younger age? Did you ever think to be a millionaire in your 20s? Here are the best ways to do that. Watch this video till the end to know how to be a young millionaire easily. So let's talk about one by one. At the first, you have to create one or multiple income methods. For that, you must watch my previous videos. I will put a card up here and go see that videos first. Then start any income method as your wish. First thing is save half of your income. So you must save half of your income for your future. Don't waste money for unnecessary things and save before spend. If you have any troubles of saving, watch the upper videos to learn how to save from a low income. I will put all the links at the description as well. Find any method from those 7 tips and try to save half of your income. Second thing is investing in stocks. This is one of the most common investing method in these days. Before investing in stocks, you must have to do a research to find out what are the perfect stock to invest in. Try to invest in dividend stocks and spend your scalp. Always try to invest for a long-term goal. Third thing is learn valuable skills. This is the best invest for your life. This is also a wonderful option to be a millionaire in your younger age. Learn new things, new skills, invest to buy courses, gather more knowledge in various fields. Do researches on what you love. Your knowledge will stay with you forever. Fourth thing is start a business. Before start a business, you have to find your talents. After that, choose a field that you like the most. Then do a research to analyze the market behaviors. Then start your business. If you fail, don't worry. Start again with better plan. Don't afraid to lose. Afraid to do nothing. Starting a business in younger age will help you to develop your money-making strategies. The last thing is have a side hustle. This is a perfect method to earn some extra money for your future investments. There are many opportunities of side hustling in these days. Online field is the most common way to start a side hustling. But that is not the only way. You are free to start an offline businesses as a side hustle. But starting an online business as a side hustle is much easier due to corona pandemic situation. What if your hobby generates you more money? It sounds wonderful, isn't it? Realize your ability and convert that ability into money while having fun. If you like to play guitar, record while you play and upload it to social media. Then you can build your own audience. It's a good opportunity to make some affiliate marketing, or you can teach others how to play guitar. Subscribe our channel to watch our future videos and click the bell icon to get the notification of our future videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share video with your friends.